Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to allow AirDrop only from contacts on your iPhone device. You may be worried about security with random people trying to AirDrop you and then accidentally accepting that AirDrop, and maybe the AirDrop was malicious. So I'm going to show you how to make sure that only your contacts can send you AirDrops. So let's go ahead and open settings on our iPhone device as the first step. After we open settings, we're going to just scroll down until we see general. Go ahead and tap on general. And then you're going to see the third option down will be AirDrop. Go ahead and tap on AirDrop. And then you're going to see the option here for receiving off contacts only and everyone for 10 minutes. You're just going to select contacts only. And once you do that, no one else but just your contacts can send you AirDrops. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day. Take care.